the CC Less Than 3. Welcome back to my channel. So, if you guys saw this video where I had to do some exposing, then you might be wondering about the hairstyle that I'm wearing or how I got these waves or how I got this look. So this video is just going to be a quick tutorial showing like how I installed this wig. It's from Arabella. It's my first 360 wig, and I thought I'd show you guys more in depth of how I keep it adhered to my head, how I curl it, and how I got this pattern basically. So if you're interested, then keep watching. So first I have my hair braided in 6 braids. It's like 3 on each side, and I just use clips to kind of pin them up on either side. And I have the perimeter of my hair out so I can blend it into the wig. So yeah, I just had to do a quick wash and shampoo. I just colored it to lighten it a little bit. It came like a natural 1B darker color, and I like my hair to be lighter, like my natural hair, so it blends in with my edges better. So you can see inside the wig, like it's called a 360 wig because the whole perimeter is laced. So it's easy to put up, pin to the side, and you won't see like unnatural chunks, I guess. And it also comes with the strap things like sewn in already, so I can just attach it when I'm ready. Now this is what my hair looks like before I put the wig on. See, I attached the strap, just make sure it's secure. And I try to adjust it to where I want it before I sew it down so I can make sure it's not going to go anywhere. So then I take my finger and I follow the trace of where the braids are on the outside, like the ones closest to like the perimeter of my face. And I follow that with my finger so I can make a part. And I need to make sure it's secure where I want it to be before I start to sew. So yeah, what I do here is I fill the braid with my finger and I try to trace it underneath. And I try to make sure it goes in as straight of a line as possible, as long as it follows the braid. And I try to keep it close together. So what I do is, where the thread comes out, I try to put the needle right back in that, so you don't really see as much of the thread. Like, you see as little of the thread as possible. So once I'm done with that, I just brush it out to make sure none of the hair is like caught under the thread, there aren't any knots or tangles. Then I do the same thing on the other side. I just part it and try to keep the thread going in and out of the braids that I have closest to the perimeter of my face so it doesn't slip back. And you want to make sure it's really tight, but don't pop the thread, because I've done that before too. And then you can see I did the same thing along the back. I just braided as low as possible to make sure when I put it in a ponytail it won't come up. So then you can see how tight and secure it is. There's a lot of thread in, it's not going to go anywhere, it's not going to slip. So now I just part my hair and flat iron it because it's still a little damp. Try to part in small sections but not too small because then it takes forever. So you can see these kind of, with the flat iron, you can make these curls and that could be like the hairstyle alone. But I actually wanted more of like a bed hair look, so I decided to braid it, and I'll show you that in a minute. Good morning. So you can see I just woke up and I have 2 braids that merge into one because I didn't want the curls to be too tight and too coiled. So I made them into one at the bottom. Better angle. So you can actually see this is the style I did for that video where I did the exposing of a certain group, and actually filmed later this day, so you can see what I did to get this look. You see I actually have to use my flat iron to kind of tweak a few of the curls. It's really cool, like you can take the flat iron and like rock it back and forth to get kind of that wavy look. So So I needed to do that just for a little bit. Again, this is from Arabella Hair. This is my second wig with them, and it's my first 360 wig, so I was kind of excited that I could put it up if I wanted to. And I think this turned out pretty good. So thanks for watching. If you did, remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time.